Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for being here with me today. Your support means the world to me. I'd like to address something that probably hasn't gone unnoticed, and that is that my recent posting schedule has been a bit irregular, and this is because I'm currently away from the building, and today I'm coming to you from Wrocław, Poland. And the reason that I'm in Poland is this. Okay, while you're enjoying that bread right there, there's something I've been wanting to talk to you about. I know how you got your thing going. You're rocking that blonde hair. I get it. I get it. I know it's your thing at the moment, but I'm just saying that um, maybe somewhere in the back of your mind, maybe you got this little notion that maybe at some point you could have black hair, maybe like your daddy. Okay, so yeah, it's a constant challenge trying to balance family and the project at the building, because it hurts me so much to be away from uh, my new son. I'll be 50 coming up here pretty soon, and so it's a late life baby for me, my only one. And let me tell you, it's life changing. But today, that's not what the video is about. Today, I want to talk about some exciting news that is closely tied to the channel and how you guys can engage with the channel and support the journey and play an active role in the renovation of the building. So before we get to that, the good news is that I'll be returning to the building on October 3rd, and I've got some exciting renovations planned for the coming months, and I'll be there all month, and I'll be working from morning till night. And I've got the projects picked out that I think will make the most impact really quickly and also make good video content. And so that will be coming soon on a regular basis, twice a week as usual. So, all right, back to the announcement. So many people have asked about supporting my effort to save this building. There have been all kinds of suggestions in the comment sections, like, do you have a Patreon? Do you have an Amazon wish list? That kind of thing. But they don't really align with my vision for the channel, just because I'm so thankful for that kind of support, but I don't feel like I'm giving added value in return in exchange for that. And it just feels weird to me. So I've been trying to think about how to create a supportive interactive kind of community and give back to you guys, the viewers, and also be able to, you know, provide a pathway to take more of an active role in helping me with the renovation. So, as you've probably noticed in the building, there's like a variety of items to be discovered. I mean, there is so much stuff in the building. There's collectible stuff. There's just like really quirky, unique, odd items. There are a few valuable items, and there are even plenty of items that I have no idea what they are. Stuff, and it's all got to go. Today's announcement slash update is kind of a twofold thing, two things that I wanted to share with you. And the first thing is that I'm really excited to share that I've been working on a website. And this website is going to provide answers to like frequently asked questions, give insights into the channel's journey, bring people up to speed who are just recently joining the channel. And yeah, so I wanted to have this website, and the special part about it is that it is a win-win-win situation. I have all of those things in the building, and I've decided to make a portion of this website dedicated to a space where you can actually purchase some of the items, or any of the items really, that you have seen in the videos that I've posted on the channel. Okay, so in case you're wondering, that was the sound of a car door closing because baby Samuel is not interested in cooperating, and he's having a party in the other room. So I gotta tell you something. You good looking. You good looking. You got that masculine, powerful brow. Yeah, I thought I'd come out in the car and record this so that wouldn't be a lot of distracting stuff going on in the background. So what I want to do is divide the stuff that I'm going to list for sale on the website into two categories. The first one being the industrial furniture stuff that I have. That's stuff that I'm not too keen to sell even because I like it all. I do want to have in the future like a booth at the antique shows. I've talked about that on the channel before, or maybe a showroom in the building, an antique showroom in the building when the building, when it's up to code. So, and the stuff that's in the building is not all the stuff. I still have, if you watched the earlier videos, you know I'm collecting stuff to send an entire container of antiques from Poland to the United States. So the stuff that's actually at the building at the moment, I'm going to list in the section called industrial furniture there. So like I said, the price will probably be above retail because I'm okay if it doesn't sell yet. Someday when I do the actual booth, I'll lower the prices, but it is available if you want it. If you're willing to pay up for it, it's available. Most of it is too big to ship though, so I don't think that much of that will sell on the website, but we'll see. Who knows? You never know. The other category, and the one that's more in line with what I need to tell you guys about today, is all of the quirky, industrial, curious, mystery stuff that you've been seeing in the videos that I've been posting. So basically anything in the videos that you've seen, if you notice something that you're interested in, you can let me know and I'll put that as one of the items that's available for purchase on the site. So that being said, there may be some challenges around items that are too bulky for shipping or whatever, but anyway, those will be there. I'm going to try to price them at less than what they go for on eBay, just to, make that more accessible to people, also to raise money quicker for the renovation. It's really cool if you guys want to participate and help support the process. It's a win-win-win because the support is helpful to me and to the building renovation. You get a memento, something cool from the channel, from the building. And the third win is that the building gets cleaned out. So it is actually actively taking a role in cleaning up and saving this old building. So that's really cool. Okay, one more note on the pricing, because the price of shipping is skyrocketing. It's like shocking how much it costs to send stuff these days. So I contemplated what to do about that for a while, but then decided it's so much easier if I pick an item, photograph it, list it on the site, and already package it up to shipping. So I can just put a number on it. And then the price I put on the website as it's available for sale includes the shipping. So the price you see is what it is. You should know that a gigantic portion of whatever it costs is probably to shipping, not for supporting the building, but in a roundabout way it is. But like a $10 item can easily be like 30 or 40 bucks to ship, depending on how big and bulky it is. So please keep that in mind. If you're curious, you want to see what something goes for on eBay, take into consideration the amount that you're paying for shipping there. So also, I can't guarantee that everything's going to be cheaper than it is on eBay, just because I don't have the time to look up every item. I'm just going to look at it and make a guess. So yeah. And last time, I just want to mention one more time, if you saw something in the videos and you'd like me to list it, I'll be working at the building all through October. So if you get that into me, then I can that request, and then I can list it on the site. So that brings us to the second part of the announcement, which is that I have this kind of idea that I would like to toy around with doing a live stream. A lot of channels are doing that now, and I don't really know much about it and how to do it, but I think it would be pretty awesome. The first reason is that, like, in real time, I can answer questions because I can't possibly cover every base when I'm making the videos. I just kind of, pick and choose what's interesting to me. But there might be questions about different things, and a live stream would be a real opportunity just to, talk to you guys directly. So, but the other thing I could do on a live stream is I could pick out a few items and we could do an auction, a live auction, which is like interactive. And the silly one, I mean, we can put some, valuable stuff on there or whatever, but even just simple little cute mementos or whatever. And it has like a real big engagement factor. It's competitive, it's fun, it gives us an opportunity to joke around while we're doing that, and it can be pretty cool. So what I'll do is make a not a third tab, but maybe under the category where the stuff from the building is, I can put some items that I think would be cool to separate out and put in the auction. So yeah, so what I need to do is, I've got a lot of learning ahead of me, so I'm kind of okay with what I've learned for the website, and it's basically all done. I'm going to be letting it go live probably around Halloween time. That'll give me enough time to get everything listed. And then I'll have that page for stuff that could be cool for the auction. So this is going to be awesome. That'll be awesome. And I love the opportunity to talk with you guys and answer questions. And maybe I'll even have questions for you, because God knows I have a lot of questions. So, okay. Where does that leave us? Oh yeah, the community tab here on the channel. So, so when you get like 500 subscribers on YouTube, they make this community tab available to you, and it's a place where when you go to the actual channel main page, you'll see a link to it, and that's a place where conversations can be had. That's a place where people who have channels can like put polls or surveys, that kind of thing, for a way for interaction to happen, for feedback to come. So I'm thinking maybe I'll put, at the time I upload this video, go ahead and check, I'll do that, a little poll about whether I should do a streaming auction, whether that would be fun, if you guys think I should do that. And then I'll probably add a couple other questions, like maybe a little space for you guys to put your own question. I mean, you can put questions like in the comment section, but maybe if we do that on the community tab, we can start like a rolling conversation. Who knows where that could go? That could be pretty cool. So if you're watching this now, that's already been posted on the community tab. So pop up over there and yeah, scroll through that, answer where you can, interact with me as much as possible. That'll be awesome. Okay, so mark your calendars. I'll be back to the building on October 4th. Actually, I'll be there on the 3rd, but I'm going to make a video in the morning of the 4th. I need to get a little bit of sleep after the trip, but on the 4th, I'm going to make my first video, and I'll upload that the same day. So, and then from there on out, I'm going to be back on track. I'm going to be uploading 2 videos per week. And yeah, once again, before I wrap up, I just want to express my sincere gratitude. I've come a long way in this year, and when I look back at all of the stuff that I've done so far, I can't believe it. Some of that's visible from the outside of the building, but not very much. I do want to get a lot of stuff on the outside done to make a positive impact for the community as well. And I look back over the year, starting this process was kind of simultaneous with starting the channel. So, yeah, so all that's happened this year, and the only thing that kind of trumps that is looking ahead to how much more there is to do. So, thank you for being part of this incredible journey with me, and I look forward to seeing you guys again soon here in October, when I continue to explore the building, create stuff, share it with you, interact with you guys, and yeah, to infinity and beyond. All right, I will see you guys on October 4th. Thank you. Bye-bye.